I think I was scared at the prospect of not being able to afford a house in LA. And then when I just went through one of those mortgage calculators online and said, oh, wow, okay, my mortgage would be kind of the same as my rent, that's when it all clicked for me. My budget was $700,000. I gave myself a little bit of leeway there and said, all right, let's call it $750,000. So the first step was saving up to buy the property. Talking about down payment being about 20%. I said, okay, it's got to be $150,000. I had about $100,000 spread in 3 or 4 different places. So I decided to consolidate all that, put it in a high interest savings account, so that way I'd be earning some money while I was still continuing to save. The search would probably take 6 to 9 months, and I need to kind of put that savings in hyperdrive and maybe save about $7,000 a month. I used a budgeting app that I looked at regularly to track where I was on a monthly basis versus my goals. So I didn't travel for 12 months. I didn't go out to a fancy meal any time during that period. I didn't go to a concert. I started doing things to earn additional income. I knew that there were certain costs on a monthly basis that couldn't be changed. I rented out my apartment when I wasn't staying there, and I even rented out my car a couple times. Whenever I felt like I was getting off track, I would look at my budgeting app. I would look at my high interest savings account and see how much that money had grown. That was my motivator. So, all those things, there were sacrifices there, but it was sacrifices to get to like a bigger end goal. My parents were really proud. They both grew up in Borivali, India. My dad's family grew up in a place that's kind of the size of my living room, and they had 9 people in there. They were really proud of me, and it made me really happy that they were so proud. I mean, even when my realtor said, hey, meet me at the place tomorrow, you get your keys, all throughout that day, I didn't actually grasp it, I don't think, but when he handed me those keys, I actually really, truly was wowed by the process, by myself being able to save that much money and actually being able to hit that goal of owning a place in West Hollywood. I was, for the first time, a homeowner, which is really cool.